Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will like to show you the way how you can make a layers between reels and your photo that you add from your photo library or your Instagram story. Now let's jump into the tutorial. Open your Instagram application, logged in with your account, and now we just need to open the reels. And then you just need to go click the reels that you want to repost and click add to your story. Now we already got this, and then the next thing you need to do is just tap into this icon and then click this photo. Now we just need to pick the photo that you want to use as the background right here. I'll let you do this. And now you just need to make sure that you're scaling up this picture so that I will be like fulfilling all of the screens. And the next thing you need to do is just tap into this picture, tap and hold, and there will be like the layers down there, and then you just need to like swipe into the button, and your reels can be stay in the top side of the picture, and you're ready to post it into your story. That's so simple and easy, right? And hopefully you understand every point from this tutorial. And if you still have some questions, just drop into the comment section and we will meet again into other tutorial.